ClickSmart Plus. How to pair the smart RGBW LED tape controller. Before pairing the smart controller, ensure a qualified electrician has installed the controller and you have the ClickSmart Plus hub set up and paired to the app. On the home screen, tap the plus button in the top right hand corner. Then add device. Next, tap Smart RGBW LED tape controller. Select your paired gateway hub. Follow the on-screen instructions. If your smart controller is not in pairing mode, tap Resetting Devices and follow the on-screen steps. Then press Continue. Once the connected LED tape is blinking, tap to confirm and then press Next. The app will now add the smart RGBW LED tape controller to your account. This may take a few minutes. The smart controller has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now use the smart controller through the app. Make sure to change the name of your smart RGBW LED tape controller so it can be easily accessible and used with voice commands. Press on the pencil icon next to the device. Then tap Name. Change the name to your preference. You can now use the smart controller through the app. All ClickSmart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter.